have to never watch this again. It's gonna be so awesome. What are you doing here?
Nothing.
Oh, okay.
I need to borrow a breach.
Okay.
Thanks for the breach, dude.
You're welcome.
Hey, don't lock your doors.
Okay.
Breaching! What the? I said don't lock your doors!
Didn't.
Yes, you did! Now you better pay it back!
Someone who is weak enough. Jesus.